This is how you make a quiz in Google Forms. So I have here a quiz already set up. I'll go through and I'll explain it, and then I'm going to need to change the settings to make it a quiz. So first you're going to need to add a title, and you want to make your document title the same. Then this is my first question. So my first question is, what is this animal? And I clicked here to add this picture. And then I add some options that students can choose. So is it a giraffe, lion, whatever you're studying, you can put that for the question. And then my second question is, what is a lion? And I did this to show that you can use pictures as answers. So for example, my question is, which is a lion? And this is a multiple choice question. And I have a few options. Option 1, option 2, option 3. I don't want to write lion because that'll give them the answer. So if I want to add another option, I can just click and then click here, and I can do a Google search for an animal. And then that will put it in my quiz. Next, I wanted to do a little survey about the student. So I have a checkbox answer, and with checkboxes they can choose more than one answer. So if you want students to choose only one answer, make it a multiple choice or make it a fill in the blank. Also, I can click here and make this a required question. And that way they have to answer this before they can turn it in. One thing I'm forgetting, if this is a quiz, this is very important. I need to have them write their name. Okay, so I might also have them type in their email addresses, but in the settings I can automatically collect their email address. And then I'll restrict it to people. I can restrict it to only students in the school. And then I want to click here, this option, to make it a quiz. So here are a few options. They can right after they submit the quiz, so after they're finished, they can get the answers back. And this is cool because you can go and you can add feedback to your answers. So down here, add answer feedback. So you can put, for an incorrect answer, you can add a website that students should go to or a YouTube video that explains more about the question. And then for correct answers, just add some positive feedback. But this is really good to have students learn more about, or actually learn the content before they finish.